Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add music from Spotify to your Snapchat story. First of all, open your Spotify. Make sure that you have already logged in. On your screen, you can see a search icon. Tap on it and find the song that you want to share. Tap on the song and you can see three dots just below the title of a song. Tap on it. It will open several options. Then tap on share. Then open up the sharing option. Here you can see several sharing options. Tap on Snapchat. This will automatically open your Snapchat with the song ready to go. Now you can customize your Snapchat story, add fun filters, stickers, or a caption writing about what you love about this song. Once you are happy with how it looks, tap on Send to button to share your story. Now tap on New Story. And here you could see two options over there, New Private Story and New Shared Story. If you tap on New Private Story, your story will be visible to selected friends. And if you tap on New Shared Story, your story will be visible to everyone who are using the Snapchat right now. I'm going to tap on first one. Here, Snapchat will ask you to choose the friends that you want to share this story. Then tap on Create a Story. You can even rename the story. I'm going to put it as it is. Tap on Save. And now tap on Send button. Tada! You have added a music from Spotify to your Snapchat story. To check it out, tap on your profile icon. Scroll down. Here on your private story, you can see the song that you just shared. Tap on it. And that's it. You have successfully added a song from the Spotlight to your Snapchat story. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next video.